Hello guys, so I made cakes for selling in my shop. This large one broke when it was hot, but I will resize it and cut it into slices for selling. When cakes are hot, they are delicate, that's why it broke. But I'll do my best to make it work. This is another cake that I'll be cutting. Those two are going to be cutting. Then these others I'll also be cutting into slices. It's early morning, it was cold as you can see on the window. So now I'm resizing the cake that broke so that I can be able to cut it into small size slices that can be sold. This is the first time selling sliced cakes. I'm used to selling cupcakes, so it's a bit tricky. I've never cut them before, and I have to cut them into the same size, so it's a bit tricky. These are the crumbs that remained, so I will pack them until sell them too. You can see the slices. The cake was nice, it came out good. As you can see, I'm living in Njombe, Tanzania. So welcome guys to my channel. Please do like, share and subscribe, and you can give me suggestions on my cake business. I'm open to suggestions. I want to learn, and I like to learn different things every day. So please feel free to comment. I've been doing this business for 7 years now. After I completed my university, I started baking. So it has been 7 years. I know a lot about cakes, but I'm open to learning new and different things. And also now I've opened a boutique, a small boutique and salon. So I want to learn a lot from others. Thank you. So these are the crumbs. I also pack them and sell them. Thank you guys for watching and listening to me. Please do like, share and comment, and please do come back for other videos. I'm new, but I'll do my best. So they're already packed. I'm just going to lock them. I'm also planning on getting labels for my cakes. I was selling locally, but now I want to really market my business. So these are the cakes that I'm taking to the shop. This is the first bucket, there is another one. I was able to get you 130 pieces. I also make the cakes which I pack like this. These are zebra cakes. So thank you guys for watching. Please do like, share and comment. Thank you. Bye.